Unlocking Idiomatic Expressions, an Oral Assessment Guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on learning advanced vocabulary in English. Today we're delving deeper into idiomatic expressions and how to assess your understanding of them. And we're not just talking about written assessments. No, today we're focusing on oral assessments. So, get ready to really put your speaking skills to the test. So, what exactly is an oral assessment? Simply put, it's a way to evaluate your spoken language skills. This might include pronunciation, fluency, and of course, the correct usage of vocabulary, in our case, idiomatic expressions. These assessments often involve dialogues, speeches, or presentations where you'll have to naturally incorporate these expressions. There are several techniques to carry out an oral assessment. Let's explore a few of them. 1. Role-playing. One of the most effective methods for assessing the understanding of idiomatic expressions. In role plays, you are given a character and a situation, and you must interact using appropriate language and expressions. 2. Presentation. A more formal method where you speak about a specific topic for a certain length of time, incorporating idiomatic expressions related to the topic. 3. Question and answer sessions. In these sessions, you are asked questions, and you respond using idiomatic expressions where appropriate. Remember, the key to performing well in these techniques is practice. The more you practice using idiomatic expressions in your daily conversations, the better you'll become. Here are some tips to make your oral assessments effective and successful. Context is key. Always use idiomatic expressions in the correct context. Understanding where and when to use an idiom is crucial. Don't force it. If an idiomatic expression doesn't fit naturally into what you're trying to say, it's better not to use it at all. Remember, the goal is to communicate effectively, not just to show off your knowledge of idioms. Clarify meaning. If you're unsure about the meaning or usage of an idiom, don't hesitate to ask. It's always better to clarify than to use it incorrectly. Practice, practice, practice. The more you use idiomatic expressions, the more familiar and comfortable you'll become with them. That's all for today, folks. Remember, mastering idiomatic expressions is a journey, and every step you take gets you closer to your destination. Use these tips and techniques to ace your oral assessments. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find idiomatic expressions rolling off your tongue with ease. Until next time, happy learning!